Welcome back to my workshop. Now today I've got another very quick unboxing for you. Today it's going to be very quick because I've been out in the garden all day today painting, so that's why I'm covered in fence paint. Yeah, the other day I went into B&Q and I picked up one of these. Now this is a twin pack of a drill and a drill driver. Now obviously I only went into B&Q to buy some silicone and ended up coming out with this. So basically what we have here is the Stanley Fatmax 18 volt drill and a drill driver. Now I already have a drill and a drill driver, both of them Stanley Fatmaxes, and they're very good. I've had those for quite a few years and they've been faultless. But this was a special offer. A little while ago these were on offer in B&Q for about £130, which was a good price. But the other day, Thursday, I went in and saw these for £100. In addition to that, there was a special offer on where if you buy one of these, you can apply it for a 2 amp hour battery. So I've done that, I've applied for it. Let's see if that turns up, hopefully it will. But this kit, it comprises of a drill and a driver and batteries, so it's not just a bare body. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to quickly open this and then have a look. So let's see what we get in the box. Even though I bought this on Thursday, I haven't actually taken it out of the box yet. So, right, so we get a nice carry bag, which looks like it'll be quite good for taking your sandwiches around. There's a space here for pencils and pens by the looks of it. Yeah, that's all very good. Put that back. Okay, yeah, there's something to hook things on and a metal hook for hooking things on. Little carry space there. Big enough to put your phone in and obviously somewhere to put your business cards. Let's quickly shove something in there. Oh look, there you go, how exciting. On the other side it's another pocket. Okay, that's all quite nice. Got a zip and right, loads of cardboard. So what do we get? Let's have a look in this one first. This looks like it could be the batteries. Yeah, one battery, 2 batteries and something for the fire. Okay, so 18 volt lithium ion batteries. So these are 1.3 amp hour batteries and you get 2. So this already makes it worthwhile doing, because normally now when you buy power tools you don't even get batteries with them. Now this, obviously we've got 2 tools and we've got 2 batteries. Okay, what else have we got? A small charger. Okay, which is a standard UK plug, obviously because I bought it in the UK, and this is slightly different than my old charger, but very convenient, very small. Looks like it's got an indicator here, probably the usual indicator, green if it's fully charged, flashing green if it's charging, and red if it's useless. Okay, so it's those. On to the good stuff. If I can get it out. This is obviously the drill. Yeah, it's a nicely weighted item. Okay, so you've got your torque settings around the front here, which is good. It's got a hammer action, so it's a hammer as well. A drill setting, so it's just full torque drill, and then obviously settings below that if you're going to use it as a drill driver. Keyless chuck, 2 speeds, 1 or 2, and forward and reverse by this button here. Okay, batteries just slide in this way. Now this is straight out of the box. I don't know if it's got any juice in it. Yes, it has. and it's got a light. Okay. So it does sound like there's some juice in the battery when you first buy it. Right, now the driver. Now obviously I bought these separately when I bought them originally because I bought the drill first, but then found I needed a driver because obviously the amount of woodwork I do. This is very torquey, so if you're doing normal drill actions, use the drill. But if you want to do any screwing, then you use a drill driver. So the gearbox in these is completely different than in this. Okay, let's check it again. The other battery, yeah, light again, forward and backwards. You have got some control over the speed by graduating your trigger. Okay, it's very tempting to just do that and you'll end up stripping your screws. Alright, so that's what you get in the box, and also a book of words, one for the driver and one for the drill. This obviously does the usual things, tells you how to use it, which we'll probably never read, but you never know. And as I say, with this offer, you can sign up to My Stanley and basically apply for another battery. So what you do is you get, instead of a 1.3 amp hour battery, you get a 2 amp hour battery, which I just happen to have one here. Okay, you get one of these. It hasn't arrived yet, but in theory it's on its way, so we'll see if that works. As I say, I've had these before. I've got a drill and a driver, and they've been pretty much faultless since I got them. Here's my old one, slightly different design. Initial look, the chuck is slightly different. This one is more plasticized, this one was metal, and this is now starting to wear away a bit. I think you can get a new chuck, but obviously I don't need one at the moment because I've got a new drill, but I can get a replacement. Slight differences. On the old one you've got a magnetic place for putting driver bits, but the rest of it, the body, looks fairly similar. So I'm expecting, this is obviously got metal here. Is it metal? No, it's plastic, but it's silver. So the new ones are black. So I'm expecting the same performance out of this one as I did with my old one. I think my drill driver, my previous drill driver, this is pretty much the same as the same. Okay, I'll do you a quick demonstration of drilling the hole and screwing the screw in, but I'm sure if you're going to buy these you know how to do this anyway. But just to give you a quick look, this is how it performs. Okay, so just for a demonstration, I have a piece of wood, I have a screw, and what I'm going to do is drill a hole in this piece of wood and stick a screw in it. So drill, just got a small drill, literally goes in, it's a keyless chuck. Okay, stick this onto drill my hole. Now this is obviously with the battery that came with it, so this is probably not 100% charged, but it's drilled a hole. Yeah, does what it says on a tin. And drill driver, it's got this small collar. Okay, so if you buy any driver bits, yeah, they normally come with this. You don't get any driver bits with this kit, you just literally get the bodies and the batteries and the charger. Okay, so this is one I've already got, and you literally push it in, and once it's in, it won't come out until you release the collar, and then you can pull it out. So that saves you dropping it and it falling out. Okay, so you put this on forwards, Okay, screw in the hole, the pilot hole I've already drilled. So you can start off gradually if you want, and you can see the amount of torque it's got. I'm going to drill this and screw it to the bench probably. Okay. So basically it does what it says on the tin. Obviously when it gets to its torque settings, it clicks. It's supposed to do that, and obviously it won't strip the screw then. Okay, so that was a simple demonstration. Yeah, excellent, bargain. So that's it. It was a very quick review today, an unboxing of these. As I say, it was £100 for the two with 2 batteries, and you can apply for a free battery off of Stanley. I hope these two are going to perform as well as these two, but these I'm still using, but in the meantime I can use these as well. Okay, I hope you liked that quick review. If anything happens with these, I'll probably make another video and let you know all about it, but I'm expecting good things. Highly recommend using Stanley Fatmax tools. Okay, right, join me for the next video. Please like and subscribe. If you like the review, if you want me to review anything else, then please let me know. And if I buy one, I can do a review. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Bye. Went to these are, I think they're, I'm trying to